All right, viewers, as the Dashashwamedh Ghat waits for Prime Minister Modi to come in to witness the Aarti. It's going to start at about 6:15 is the timing, is what we are being told. But there is a fair amount of politics around the inauguration of the Kashi Vishwanath corridor. And the reason why, viewers, because in just about a month's time, elections will be announced in the state of Uttar Pradesh. In 3 months, the state is going into elections. Campaign has already picked up and the opposition, which is primarily the Samajwadi Party, has constantly attacked Narendra Modi, the BJP, for politicizing and making an event of the Kashi Vishwanath corridor, where it was yesterday where Akhilesh Yadav went ahead and said that it was the Samajwadi Party that initiated the inception of the corridor. The idea, the germ of it came from the Samajwadi Party. He says there are documents to prove it. But the opposition says that all of this, even though the entire project is not complete, only 50% of the work is complete, only the first phase is through, even then the inauguration has happened to bolster the BJP's chances in elections in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Let's listen in to Akhilesh Yadav.
बनारस में आज प्रधानमंत्री और 1 महीने का कार्यक्रम वहाँ रखे जा रहे हैं।
बहुत अच्छी बात है। 1 महीना नहीं, 2 महीना, 3 महीने वहीं रहें, अच्छी बात है। वो जगह रहने वाली है, आखिरी समय पर वहीं रह जाता है बनारस में। सब चीजें बाहर से लाई जा रही हैं, तो किसान की आय कैसे दोगुनी होगी? ये जवाब न पूछ ले, इसका ये सवाल जनता न कर दे। इसीलिए काशी विश्वनाथ कॉरिडोर और काशी विश्वनाथ कॉरिडोर भी अगर किसी ने कैबिनेट में पास किया था तो शुरुआत किसी की थी, तो समाजवादी सरकार की थी। वो भी हम डॉक्यूमेंट दे देंगे आप।
All right, viewers. So a fair amount of politics. What happened today in terms of optics were loaded with symbolism. A lot of messaging involved as well. And like I said, on the sidelines, enough politics going on. Let's cut across right now to our panelists. Anila Singh from the Bharatiya Janata Party joins me. Rajiv Rai from the Samajwadi Party. Manisha Priyam, political analyst. Anila Singh, you are being accused today of the opposition for making an event of something which is not even complete. It's just the first phase which is over. 50% of the project is still left, and it's only to leverage political points is why this entire event was managed today. Ms. Singh, your audio's on mute. Will you... Okay, as Anila Singh gets off mute, let's cut across to our Samajwadi Party guest. Mr. Rai, why is it that the Samajwadi Party says that this entire corridor was a germ and it was an inception of the Samajwadi Party, that your party was the one which formulated the project? It's a little bizarre because as far as anyone, you speak to here, the Kashi Vishwanath corridor is directly connected to the Prime Minister.
The Prime Minister is known for hijacking. How can you deny this? This is documented. This is in the cabinet note, and you challenge this government to come out with those cabinet notes. It's on record. It's nothing something oral statement we are making it. I would like to remind Honorable Prime Minister when he is in the Kashi and when he is in the temple, Honorable Prime Minister ji, in February 19, we went to Prayag और 5 लोगों को पैर धोए थे. Do you remember who is Jyoti? Do you remember who is in the race? Do you remember who is Pyare Lal? Don't even remember. They did not. आपने तो पैर धोकर 19 के इलेक्शन पार कर लिए. उनके पास आयुष कार्ड तक नहीं है. When they were admitted in the hospital, they had to borrow money from a money lender. This is the truth, and every time before the election when he goes.
Anila Singh, today you stand accused of. Anila Singh, today you stand accused of creating an event of something which is not even complete. 50% of the project is left, and you've inaugurated it to leverage political points with an eye on elections.
Today is the day of celebration because our Bharat and our own Kashi has got a corridor which was much required, and it was so much delayed by earlier governments. Now the dream has come true through Prime Minister of our country, Narendra Modi ji. So whatever Mr. Rai is saying, or what Mr. Akhilesh Yadav ji is saying, or whatever Mr. Randeep Surjewala is saying, or Rahul Gandhi is saying, this is nothing more than frustrated words coming out from their mouth. Instead of celebrating what we have got today, they are simply, just accusing and demeaning everything. That is totally incorrect. Baba Mahadev is of everyone. But yes, who is not true Hindu, then definitely they are going to criticize what we have got today. And what Akhilesh Yadav ji has said about Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, कि इनको 2-3 महीने वहीं रहना चाहिए, जब जिसका आखिरी समय आता है उसको काशी में रहना चाहिए. This is what he is praying. He wants that that Narendra Modi ji shouldn't be. I can't even say all those things which he meant.
Right. Anila Singh, let's take the point. Let's take the point. Yeah, let's take the point to Rajiv Rai. Let me take that point to Rajiv Rai. Rajiv Rai, isn't it a low blow to actually suggest that people go to Kashi when their end time is near? Is it a little isn't it cheap politicking to say that at this juncture?
No, this is the way they take the things the way they want. True Hindu. What do you mean by the true Hindu? Who are you to give the certificate? Who are you to give the certificate? भगवान के मंदिर में दलाली करने वाले, जमीन बेचने वाले हमें सर्टिफिकेट देंगे? Who are you to give this certificate? And what honorable national president wanted to say is, after 3 months there is election, and this is the far end of your rule. 3 महीने बाद अंत हो जाएगा. You want to take it in something different way because you don't have to speak. I am again challenging you, Anila Singh ji. Give me the name of those 5 people, those whose जिसके पैर धोए थे. And you remember.
So Rajiv Rai, you are saying that Akhilesh Yadav did not mean in terms of the end is near. Rajiv Rai, sir, can you please explain in what context was this statement made?
After 3 months, UP election is there, and allow me to complete. If you want to interrupt, then there is no point asking opposition to be the part of your debate. When I do not complete the sentence, it has an altogether different meaning. Akhilesh Yadav ji wanted to say this is just 3 months left for this government.
All right,
and let him be there in the government because we all remember during the Bengali election.
We're having a bit of a problem with your audio, Mr. Rai. I'm going to try and correct that. We are having a bit of a problem with your audio, and I'm going to try and connect that. I want to go across to Manisha Priyam at this point. Manisha Priyam, the fact is this election is on steroids already. You're 3 months away from election. An event like this loaded with symbolism. How do you see it?
जिसमें सभी को साथ लेकर के चलने की जो प्रथा है, जो संकल्प.
Miss Priyam, can you hear me? All right, we seem to be having a problem with the audio of Miss Manisha Priyam. But Anila Singh, once again, I want to come back to the question that I asked you. The project is nowhere near completion. You're still 50% away. Why the inauguration? What was the urgency?
People can start using that corridor very well. And we know it that now the capacity has gone so huge, lakhs and lakhs of people, they can go ahead and they can go and do the darshan of Baba Mahadev, Baba Kashi Vishwanath. And in the area which was just 3,000 square feet, now it is more than 5 lakh square feet. It is a huge achievement. But I just want to make a point here. Preeti, you will remember.
Nobody is denying. Okay, Miss Anila Singh, nobody is denying. Nobody is denying the achievement. Nobody is denying the achievement. The question is that you made an event of something, a project that is still not complete, that's only 50% complete. Only the first phase has been inaugurated, and you have done it with an eye on elections, is the argument.
So let them say whatever they want to say. We have done what we have to do. After 2014, when Modi ji visited Varanasi, he said कि मेरी हृदय की इच्छा है कि वाराणसी में बाबा काशी विश्वनाथ का मंदिर सोमनाथ के मंदिर की तरह पूरा भव्य तरीके से उसका डेवलपमेंट हो. And once our government was formed in Uttar Pradesh, we have shown that it is possible. And I will tell you, it is a team effort, and especially I will say that we must appreciate the work which has been done by the administration there as well. But I want to make a point here, Preeti.
Okay.
Who can forget? Please allow me. I'm making a very important point here. I'm telling you कि अखिलेश यादव जो ये कामना कर रहे हैं कि नरेंद्र मोदी जी का अंत हो जाए, तो मैं उनके बारे में बताती हूँ कि जब वाराणसी ब्लास्ट हुआ था, उसमें जो अक्यूज था वलीउल्लाह, उसको बेल आउट कराने में एडवोकेसी मुलायम सिंह यादव जी ने की थी. Mulayam Singh Yadav advocated for the bailout of Waliullah Khan, who was accused of Varanasi bomb blast. So, if we talk about Mulayam Singh and Akhilesh Yadav, he advocated.
Okay, all right. I'll take that question. Okay, we finally have Manisha Priyam back. Manisha Priyam, this election is already on steroids, was what I was asking you earlier. The images that we saw filtering across television screen, loaded in symbolism. How do you think it will work?
No, definitely it's moved to the religious imagery. As far as Kashi is concerned, there's no doubt that it is a symbol of the Hindu faith. But remember also that Kashi has a plural tradition. It's been the seat of politics. Whenever the Congress party was in trouble, Indira Gandhi would go for the famous holy dip, the darshan of the Baba Mahadev. But also the socialists, remember, not just in India, but also in Nepal, the Koiralas have a residence in Kashi. But all that plural political culture being put aside, what we have is an image of this massive construction which looks very beautiful. I'm apart Banarsi with my home at the banks of the Ganges. Nothing enchants me more than the visual of the river. But all these remain to me private celebrations and not a matter of the state to take up as its agenda. So somewhere along the way, the agenda of private faith of the individual, private faith of the Hindu, becomes a matter of the political faith of a political party. So how do you critique this? I mean, a party where the elections last time around, I remember Prime Minister Modi had opened the state elections for Uttar Pradesh saying, "Jis rajya mein vikaswad ko vanvas diya gaya." And that famous speech was made by Narendra Modi in Ghaziabad. Today, the pitch is completely different. The BJP is on a defensive pitch. Rather than saying that, look how we have rehabilitated Vikaswad, the BJP is now definitely showing that this is their model of development, where the religious overtones completely overarch anything that could be called pro-poor or pro-public welfareism. Take it or leave it. For me, as the Hindu, it's a grand visual. But whether it's my belief of the political or not, that I want to still debate with myself. Remember also that Kashi will also debate these things. It's a place where political debates are very heated and very argumentative. For the moment, it's a grand vision, but politics clearly submerged in the debate.
I've terribly run out of time. I appreciate all our guests for joining us. I need to get into a quick break, but we're going to leave you with these visuals. I'll ask my camera person, Hitesh, as we dip into this break, to zoom in. A lot of security, yes, but it's a throng in terms of the crowd. Massive crowds at the ghats of the Dashashwamedh Ghat waiting for the Prime Minister to come in, and the Aarti will begin at about 6:15 p.m.